We're here with Barry Lubers from Advanta US and talking about dwarf sorghum hybrids. So just tell us a little bit about what your company's doing with that.
Well, Alta Seeds introduced Brachytic dwarf forage sorghums here a few years ago. The benefits that the Brachytic dwarf forage brings to growers and dairy farmers is that it provides a forage with a very good high quality feedstuff, very high tonnage, and it is very economical to grow.
So what makes it different? What makes it stand out from the traditional sorghum plant?
Yeah, the traditional forage sorghums are very tall, had a tendency to maybe not stand quite as well as what most farmers would like. And the tonnage was admirable, but I think we've made some improvements on that with the Brachytic forage.
Okay, great. And so does the dairy cow like it?
Yeah, the BMR6 that I mentioned earlier is a brown ridgewood 6 trait. It really is an indicator of the lack of lignin in the plant. And lignin is what keeps the plant standing up stiff, and when we add the BMR6 trait, then that's more palatable feed stuff for the cattle.
Okay, great. And so for farmers that aren't using this sort of variety of plant right now, what can they do to transition over?
Really, for a grower to plant sorghum versus corn or some other products, there's really nothing that they need to do. They just need to pay attention to their plant population, which for this particular hybrid or these type of hybrids, we recommend about 100,000 plant population per acre. And then as far as harvest, they can harvest it with their silage cutter just like they do corn. So there's really nothing that they have to do different to use the forage sorghum.
Great, sounds very versatile.
Yes, it is a very versatile product, versatile, economical, and very high yielding.
Great, thanks for visiting with us today.
Thanks for stopping by.